Hey guys, welcome to this particular video. So today I was scrolling, I'm checking with Google that how to manage multiple passwords or login or what is really important to that. As we know, in this today's day and age, when you're working, doing some work online, simply blogging or making videos or even browsing all social media and everything, we know there are multiple logins, there are multiple screens which comes across to us, and everybody is saying please put a unique password. You cannot even use the same password. I just checked it. Okay, can I use the same password? No, you cannot really use the same password. You have to kind of change password because your password is leaked, criminal can use it to access many other accounts and this and that. Then I checked different browsers. Yes, Firefox has its own system where you can generate passwords. Google has its own system, and every browser may have its own systems to generate certain encrypted keys where you stick to the same browser and you keep on continuing with the same password. But there needs to be a better solution to it, and I come across the platform which I use for my storage solution. I use Pcloud for my storage solutions. So Pcloud has another feature called Pcloudpass, and today I'm going to talk about this Pcloudpass. And of course, this you can simply start for free. You can also grab the lifetime deal with 50% discount this Halloween. So let's understand what the whole process is. So Pcloud, as we know, it's a European password manager. It's a European company which is like giving security system since many years, and I personally use the cloud system given by Pcloud. Now the only thing what you get is you download this as an extension, and automatically whenever you reach out to any platform, like if you're Amazon seller and you log into Amazon buyer, you log into buyer, it automatically generates a unique password and stores in its own cloud space, so you can later on retrieve it from across the world, across any device. So it's not browser standard. You can use it on the mobile, you can use it on any browser, you can use it on any laptop, your friend's laptop, relative laptop, wherever you want to, because you will get your password in the Pcloudpass. Similarly, it's an encrypted password, so it is not that simply plain text. It's a military grade encryption algorithm, so it's secure. It's totally secured. It's like you can access it to any device because this pass works on all sort of devices. So simply you can use it on your mobile and wherever. It creates certain complex and secure passwords. That's why it is a tool to generate and retain your passwords. You can now switch it to any, and if you have already stored passwords in a Chrome browser or Firefox or Edge or Opera or any other thing, you can import every kind of a sort of password which are already stored there into the Pcloud Pass. Then autofill feature will be activated, auto save password or credit card details, secure sharing. That's important. Secure sharing is very important feature. I'm going to talk about that. Biometric lock and lock is there. You can search. Account recovery feature is also there. In case you by mistake, in case you delete something, you will be able to recover this thing. Auto log, tax categorization, contact list, and certain thing which Pcloud Plus will have in future, like it is giving you a trash features, so you can restore password from trash. You can simply save certain documents like receipts, passport copies, so you can access it anywhere. And if you have a business kind of thing, so a lot of business things will get integrated. So this is about Pcode Pass. If you can access it like web app feature. This is you can simply access it on your laptop. Just browse, put your details, and this. If you go to the pricing module, it is very flexible, and you can start it literally for free. If you go to the option, like the three options, monthly, annual, and lifetime, you switch to the monthly thing. Monthly, there is a free plan, there is a premium plan, there is a family plan. So in the premium plan, you get unlimited devices, unlimited secured sharing. That means you can share your secured password with any of the contacts. Unlimited sharing, unlimited contact list, secure password generator, all other features. In the free plan, the restriction is you get only one active device, either laptop or your mobile. One secured share per contact. So with one contact, you can only share one secured password. Rest features are still available in the free plan. Then there's a family plan, which you can have it for your all family, in which you have got 5 members using the same login. Now this is on the monthly thing. You can go for an annual plan, like you can test run it, switch to annual mode, $29 for one premium or pass. Then there's a lifetime option, just you pay once. The lifetime pricing, which is shown right on your screen, is the regular pricing which you get. There's certain discount. 239 is the actual price right now. You're logging, you get a sale discount and everything. But there is a Halloween flash sale which is also going on. So if you want to take advantage of the lifetime deal, I suggest you pick up the Halloween deal. In the Halloween deal, you will save 50% flat on both the plans. You get premium at $119 or you get family at $199. So in case you are looking for some storage solution, some secure password storage solution instead of storing with your browsers, go for this. Pcloud is one of the trusted platform. I personally use it for my storage. My entire storage thing is with Pcloud because that is what I use. This is where exactly I come. This is what I drive I use, and because this is something which is a trusted platform to me. So Pcloud lifetime plan, lifetime deal is available at 50% off. That's a Halloween sale. You can just grab that offer, or else you want to try it out. Simply choose monthly or annual thing on the free pass. The link you will get in the video description. That's my referral link. You can use that, and you can try it for free, or you can move it to annual plan or whatever. This is one simple solution to save all your passwords, unlimited passwords, all securely generated by the software and handed over to you in any device 365 days of a year, 24 by 7. Use it wherever you're traveling or wherever you are. You can simply get the secure access with you always and go for it. That's it. Try it for free, move it to annual, or take the 50% lifetime pricing benefit of Pcloudpass. So you will never ever lose any of the passwords. So good luck for this. And Halloween sale is starting up. So you will have many several tools which come up with some kind of sales. In case you're looking for the best tools, you can join my Telegram channel where I post all these kind of deals where you got a lot of discounts. You can join that also. You will find the link in the video description. Hope you like this video. If you have any question about Pcloud Pass or Pcloud storage, you can comment and I'll be responding it back to you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.